All right, guys. I just wanted to try again because the last time I tried to record this video, it made me upset. So I'm going to try again, see what happens. All right, so be patient with me as I try to figure all this out. I'm using a new tool that I don't usually use. So our I can statement, oh, by the way, today is for Tuesday, January 12th, 2021, and we're doing math, and we're in module 6.2. Okay, so our I can statement is I can add and subtract 10 or 100 from a 3-digit number. Okay, so our question today, it says there are 357 toys on the store shelf. Okay, so we're going to show the number 357. Then in the next box, it says 10 toys are sold. So that means we have to take away 10. So the 3 and the 7 stay the same, but 50 minus 10, is 40. So that's what is different. All right, so go ahead and write that down. All right, let's continue. Erase that and keep going. All right, so build understanding. Now remember, you can pause this at any time. There are 430 cartons of milk. 10 cartons of milk are sold. How many cartons of milk are there now? What do you need to find? 430 minus 10. Okay, so we're going to use the concrete model. Write the number in the chart. Okay, so if we do 10 less, the hundreds and the ones will stay the same, but the tens will change, so it'll be 420. Okay, then it says, how can you show 10 more than 430? So if you're counting 420, 430, 440, okay, will be the next one. All right, if you want to use a concrete model, you can do this. You can do 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, plus one more would be 440. Okay, so go ahead and write this down. All right, I'm going to erase this. Okay, and let's continue on. Now, coming down to the bottom, it says show 100 less or 100 more than 430. Okay, so write the number that is 100 less than 430. So less means you're going up. So 100 less. 400 minus 100 is 300. The tens and ones stay the same. That's a 0. And then if you're doing, write the number that is 100 more than 430. 430 plus 100 more is 530. Okay, so the question at the bottom says what changes in the chart when you write numbers that are 100 more and 100 less, and then what stays the same. Okay, so go ahead and write this down. All right, and we're going to keep going. Okay, all right, so step it out. Here comes a long process, so make sure you stick with me, okay? So it says Madeline collects stamps. She has 671 stamps. Her friend gives her 10 more stamps. Then she gets 100 stamps as a gift. Madeline gives 10 stamps to her brother and 100 stamps to a friend. How many stamps does Madeline have now? Okay, so they've broken it into pieces. So now it says Madeline has 671 stamps. She gets 10 stamps. So 70 plus 10 is 80. So our first one is 681. Okay, then it says Madeline gets 100 stamps. So 681 plus 100 is 781. Okay, then it says Madeline gives 10 stamps to her brother. So that's takeaway. So 771 because 80 minus 10 is 70. And then Madeline gives 100 stamps to a friend. We're taking away 100 again. So we're back at 671. So go ahead and write those down. Please pause the video. All right, now I'm going to erase that. Keep going down. So at the very bottom, it says solve. Madeline has 671 stamps. All right, last question. Mr. Baum bakes 135 cookies for the bake sale. Okay, so we're going to draw that out. 100, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, then it says the first customer buys 10 cookies. All right, so we take that out. Now, how many cookies are there? So we have 125 because the 100 and the ones did not change. Okay, so go ahead and write that down. All right. After this, you're going to complete the On Your Own, which is page 146. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.